Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Second, how the dog found himself a new master. Children, first of all, you must know this story is a folk tale. Now, what are folk tales? Folk tales are popular stories passed on generally in spoken form from one generation to the next. In this story, we have a wolf, bear, lion, and humans. And through this story, we will come to know how the dog became a tame animal. So, let's begin the story. So children, before beginning the story, I am going to teach you the word meanings of this lesson. Let's begin. Word meanings. Ill-pleased means not happy, na khush. Second, kinsman, a relative, means ek rishtedar. Fierce, violent, frightening. Violent means hinsa karne wala. Frightening means bhayanak. Lesson number second. How the dog found himself means a new master. Quickly or suddenly. जल्दी से चले गए या अचानक. Fifth, come over you means affected you. मतलब प्रभावित किया. Sixth, dared, to be brave enough to do something means कुछ करने के लिए बहादुर. Seventh, cliff means a steep high rock. उसे चट्टान भी कहते हैं या एक ऊंची चट्टान. Dogs were once their own masters and lived the way wolves do, in freedom, until a dog was born who was ill-pleased, that is, he was unhappy with his way of life. He was sick and tired of wandering about by himself, looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than he. Dogs कभी अपने स्वामी थे और जिस तरह से भेड़िए रहते थे उसी तरह से रहते थे जब तक एक कुत्ता पैदा नहीं हुआ जो बीमार और थका हुआ था, अकेले भटकते हुए भोजन की तलाश में और उनसे डरते हुए जो उससे ज़्यादा मजबूत थे. He thought it over and decided that the best thing for him to do was to become the servant of one who was stronger than anyone on earth. And he set out to find such a master, means he started his journey. उसने इस पर विचार किया और फैसला किया कि वह धरती पे जाकर एक मास्टर को ढूंढेगा जो सबसे ताकतवर है और वह उसका नौकर बनेगा. इसलिए इस मास्टर की खोज के लिए वह निकल पड़ा. He walked and he walked and he met a kinsman of his. Kinsman means a relative. A big wolf who was as strong as he was fierce. Where are you going, dog? The wolf asked. I am looking for someone to take up service with, means to become someone's servant. Would you like to be my master, wolf? I don't see why not, the wolf said, and this agreed upon, the two of them went on together. वह चलते गया और वह चलते गया, एक बड़ा भेड़िया मिला जो बहुत ही मजबूत और भयंकर था। तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? भेड़िए ने पूछा। मैं सेवक बनने के लिए देख रहा हूँ, क्या आप मेरे मास्टर बनोगे? मैं? क्यों नहीं, भेड़िए ने कहा। They walked and they walked, and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed means smelled, darted quickly off means moved backward, off the path and into the bushes, and crept deeper into the forest. The dog was much surprised. What's come over you, master? He asked. What has frightened you so? Can't you see there's a bear out there and he might eat up both of us, you and me? जैसे ही दोनों चलते जा रहे थे, भेड़िए को कुछ खतरा दिखा। वो भागने लगा जंगल की तरफ। द डॉग बहुत सरप्राइज्ड हो गया। ही आस्क्ड हिम, क्या हुआ मास्टर, आप इतने डरे हुए क्यों हो? तुझे दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है? वहाँ एक भालू है, वो आके हम दोनों को खा लेगा। Seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to take up service with him, and he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. The bear agreed to this readily and said, Let us go and find a herd of cows. I'll kill a cow and then we can both eat our fill. जब कुत्ते ने देखा कि भालू अधिक मजबूत है, वह भेड़िए को छोड़कर भालू से दोस्ती की और कहा, क्या आप मेरे मास्टर बनोगे? बेर ने अग्री किया और कहा, चलो हम एक झुंड खोजें। मैं एक गाय को मार दूंगा और फिर इस तरह हमें भरपेट भोजन भी मिलेगा। They walked on and soon saw a herd of cows. But just as they were about to come up to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. Terrible means horrible noise. The cows were mooing, matlab making loud noise, loudly, and running in a panic means they were scared in all directions. अब जैसे ही वो चलते जा रहे थे, उन्होंने एक गायों का झुंड देखा और just as they were about to attack them, मतलब जैसे वो उनको अटैक कर रहे थे, वो रुक गए। एक भयानक सी आवाज़ आई। जो गाय थी वो जोर जोर से चिल्ला रहे थे और इधर उधर भाग रहे थे in all directions. The bear looked out from behind a tree and then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. Now, why did I have to come here? Said he to the dog. It is the lion who rules the forest in these parts. The lion, who's he? Don't you know? He is the strongest beast on earth. Well, then, I'll say goodbye to you, bear. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. The bear भी पेड़ के पीछे देखने लगा और वो भागने लगा डीपर इनटू द फॉरेस्ट, जंगल की तरफ। उसने कुत्ते से कहा, ये लायन है जो जंगल का राजा है। लायन, उसने पूछा, कुत्ते ने पूछा, लायन वो कौन है? तुझे नहीं पता? ही इज़ द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट बीस्ट ऑन अर्थ, मतलब वो धरती से सबसे ताकतवर प्राणी है। तो डॉग ने उसे कहा ठीक है, ओके, इवन आई विल से गुड बाय टू यू। उसे भी गुड बाय कहा। किसे? बेयर को। एंड ऑफ द डॉग वेंट टू आस्क द लायन टू बी हिज मास्टर। द लायन अग्रीड टू इट एंड द डॉग स्टेड विथ हिम and served him for a long, long time. It was a good life, and he had nothing to complain of, for there was no stronger beast in the forest than the lion, and no one dared touch the dog or offend him in any way. And off the dog went to join the man, and he stayed with him and served him faithfully. This happened long, long ago, but to this day the dog is man's most loyal servant and knows no other master. But one day the two of them were walking side by side along a path that ran amid bare cliffs, means they are steep high rocks, when all of a sudden the lion stopped. He gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily with his paw with such force that a hole formed there. Then he began to back away very quietly. What is it, master? Is anything wrong? Asked the dog, surprised. I smell a man coming this way, the lion said. We'd better run for it or we'll be in trouble. Oh, well, then I'll say goodbye to you, lion. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. लेकिन एक दिन जैसे दोनों चल रहे थे, कौन? डॉग एंड द लायन। कहाँ? चट्टानों के बीच में। शेर रुक गया। वो ज़ोर से गरजने लगा। फिर कुत्ते ने आश्चर्यचकित पूछा, क्या हुआ मास्टर? कुछ गलत हो रहा है? शेर ने कहा, मुझे एक आदमी की गंध आ रही है। हम लोग को इधर से भागना चाहिए, नहीं तो हम मुसीबत में आ जाएंगे। फिर डॉग ने बोला, ठीक है, आई से गुड बाय टू यू लायन। मुझे एक मास्टर चाहिए था जो पृथ्वी पर सबसे शक्तिशाली है। एंड ऑफ द डॉग वेंट टू जॉइन द मैन and he stayed with him and served him faithfully. This happened long, long ago, but to this day the dog is man's most loyal servant and knows no other master. Finally, कुत्ता उस आदमी से मिलने गया और वह उसके साथ रहा, उसकी सेवा की। ये बहुत पहले हुआ था, लेकिन आज तक कुत्ता सबसे वफादार नौकर है।